Hey Ollie, here's some basic stuff for you to use your typewriter. On the left side, there's your on and off switch. After mommy or daddy helps you plugging it in, turn that on. And you can see that it's on now. Alright, those little arrows are on the display. And you have your keyboard cover. You can pull up these little tabs right here and actually turn this upside down, and it can help with your paper. So for your paper, see, I wrote you a little letter here. It says happy 8th birthday. Your typewriter is now working. Yay, organicate. So you're actually going to feed it. If you want to continue on a piece of paper, you're going to feed it backwards and upside down. You just put it in the center there, and then you are going to push two things: code plus the letter A. Hold down on code and then hold down on A, and that automatically feeds your paper up. Now if you want to go a little bit farther, you can forward it by pressing the platen knob on this side to roll it up, or you can press the return key and that also returns it. Okay? So when we're typing basic words like your name, you want to capitalize something, you're going to press Shift plus that letter, which is O. So Shift plus O gives you that capital O, and then L-I-V-A-R. Olivar. Whoops, I made a mistake. Okay, don't worry. To make a mistake, you're going to press backspace one time, and now two times, and now the arrow, see the little arrow up there, is aimed right at the A, and you're going to press the button correct, and it's going to white it out. So let's press correct. Okay. And you can go back, try it again. The E-R. Okay. And then to go to the next line, you're going to press return again. Or return to go to another line. And if you want to go forward, you can press the space bar. Scoots you up. Or if you want to go back, you can press the backspace button. Backspace scoots you back a little bit. And then return. And that's pretty much it.